What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl MC. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm going to do my hair and I'm going for a Bahamian theme look. I just finished my makeup and you can catch the video on the link usually right around there or down below. We're taking a trip to the Bahamas. It's actually a cruise to the Bahamas for our 10-year anniversary. 10 years! So as I'm getting prepared for the trip, I'm trying to think of looks and ideas of what I'm gonna wear and how I'm gonna do my hair and my makeup really quickly while we're on the boat. Considering the fact that I'm going to be wet most of the times because I'll be in the water, I'm gonna enjoy the heck out of the water. I'm gonna enjoy that beach. I'm gonna probably do something real simple with my hair. So let's see what I come up with. And I'm just winging this. I haven't thought about what I'm gonna do, but we'll see what it comes out looking like. I just washed my hair last night. I bet you're probably curious about what's the secret to my 10-year relationship. It's actually more than 10 because we were together for a year before the 10 years. So we've been together for 11 years. So I'm gonna get my edges, Hicks edges right now. I'm going to, this stuff is great. I love it. I'm going to go ahead and catch my edges. One of the things that I've learned in my relationship in the past 11 years is that you can never force somebody to be exactly who you want them to be. And the same is they cannot force you to be exactly who they want you to be. So you have to learn to compromise, and most importantly, you gotta learn how to communicate. Because as time goes on, you are learning the person, and at this stage, 10 years down the line, we're still learning each other. That's I think one of my biggest takeaways from my relationship, my marriage, is that there's no other way if you can't communicate. You gotta find a way to talk about whatever it is that you need to talk about. You gotta find a way to face anything that you're feeling or basically feeling, because sometimes you feel a certain way but then you are scared to communicate that to the other person. But I mean, a relationship is a two-way street. It's only gonna work, I think, if there's an open line of communication and that you guys understand that you guys are not going to make the other person be who you want them to be. So you gotta understand each other. So I've gathered my edges here. So I'm keeping in mind that I have to make these looks go quickly because we're gonna be, doing stuff on the boat. It's just I just can't sit there and have like all the time in the world to do my hair and my makeup. I gotta keep in mind that my hairstyle cannot take that long. So what I'm gonna do here is twist my hair. bring it around back. Gonna keep twisting. I'm gonna use this handy dandy comb clip and just keep it. Try not to break it. And keep my hair down in the back. So now I'm thinking I might just leave my hair out in the back. I don't know why I edged up my back edges, but it's okay. It's quite all right. So I have something special planned for my anniversary, but I can't mention exactly what it is, but it's gonna be special. And yes, even if we weren't going on a cruise to the Bahamas, it would still be special, no matter what, no matter where. Trying to use the comb to keep this in the back, keep it straight, and then I'm gonna grab my hot comb straightener, one of these bad boys. This is an electric one, and it's by Andis. I like a lot of their hair appliances, but back in the day my mom used to have a real hot comb where she used to put it on the stove and put it in the flame and heat it up, and it would just fry our hair straight, and it was just awesome, and we loved it every time she did it for us. Mommy, may you rest in peace. I love you. All right. So I think this is the look. I'm gonna just straighten the back real quick. Let's see what the back is looking like. This hot comb, the only thing I would say that I'm not too fond about is the placement of the on and off button. So you can see here, it has the setting and then the on and off switch. And when it's blinking, it's heating up. So me, when I hold it, so I hold it like this, I always accidentally hit off. So I'm heating my hair and I'm thinking it's on, but it's off. But it only costs a couple bucks, so then I'm willing to work with it. I think it's hot enough. Yep. I got a solid red light, so I'm good to go. I put it on the max, which is the setting number 20, and I think it goes to 400 degrees. And right now I'm gonna apply some of this hair polisher, but it's also a heat protector. I'm basically just combing my hair with the hot comb. Getting close to the edges, one of the hardest parts. Ah! I just touched my knuckle with it. All right. Hopefully the back looks good because I'll look at it later. It feels good. So this is my finished look. I'm super excited for my trip to the Bahamas to celebrate my 10-year anniversary. It's been a true blessing to be in a relationship with the same man who's the father of my kids for 10 years strong. I should have a couple more looks coming up. I want to focus on at least 3 good looks. And so I got my hair did, got my makeup done. Now I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear. Let's see if I could go find that right now. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. I'm up to about 60 subscribers, and thank you guys for the support. I appreciate it. Much love.